Benefits of vitamin E oil with source. Benefits: moisturizing skin, wound healing, skin cancer prevention, reducing skin itching, eczema, psoriasis, preventing or minimizing the appearance of scars, preventing or treating fine lines and wrinkles, sunburn prevention. Nature's Bounty Vitamin E Oil Review. Description: 30,000 IU per bottle. Supports immune and antioxidant health. Vitamin supplement. Pure enough to take orally. Vegetarian formula. Guaranteed quality, laboratory tested. Over 40 years of trusted quality at Nature's Bounty, we are committed to your health. For over 40 years we have been making trusted products, backed by science, and made with only the purest ingredients guaranteed. So you can get the most out of life every day. Suggested use: for adults, take 5 drops, 0.25 milliliters, daily, preferably with a meal. May be taken orally or put in water, juice or food. As a moisturizer, apply directly to your skin. Warnings: if you are pregnant, nursing, taking any medications, planning any medical procedure or have any medical condition, consult your doctor before use. Discontinue use and consult your doctor if any adverse reactions occur. Do not apply to broken or irritated skin or areas affected by rashes. Discontinue use and consult your doctor if skin sensitivity occurs. Avoid contact with eyes. Do not use on children or animals. Keep out of reach of children. Store at room temperature. Do not use if outer seal is torn or missing. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.